Coming up, watch this wall get transformed using stencils and IOD instead of wallpaper.
You said that's ugly.
It probably was.
I'm going to Indiana to teach at Dion's retreat.
Between painting walls and demoing our new tiny home, Debbie also went to Dion's retreat, and a lot is going down there.
What if I am totally boring? What if I look out and people are yawning?
I have to run over to the thrift store, twist my arm, because Ellie and I are going to go live painting with the new cottage colors. I'm just going to go try and find something real quick that we can paint, that Ellie won't get freaked out about painting, so here we go.
Apparently, even the pots Debbie picked out from the thrift store was still scary to me because I was just feather dusting them. Check out this clip from our live.
Mary Poppins over here. Come on, get some more paint on that.
What do you mean?
You're like acting like you're feather dusting now. Bobby, what are you here to do?
Chandelier.
Do you like it? Do you think
Chandelier.
do you remember how it used to look? You remember you said it was ugly before.
I said that?
You said that's ugly.
It probably was.
So good. Do you like it? Are you jealous that you don't have a pretty chandelier at your house?
If only.
There it is right now, the before. And I'm gonna paint this whole situation pink.
Debbie is using cottage colors for this because there is a built-in sealer. So this line is going to be perfect for painting walls. The ratio Debbie is using is 3:1. So 3 parts of barn quilt and 1 part in white linen. Mix up your colors, and this is all preference-wise, so Debbie actually ended up adding a little bit more white to brighten up the color. Leave your comments down below on what we should name this gorgeous color Debbie made. So Zach and I are here, and we are putting in the first cabinet. Here it is, number 1. Going to get the round 2. Okay, got the second round of cabinets in the truck. Are you excited to work on my tiny home?
Yeah, I'm taking my sledgehammer.
Yep. We are on our way over to my house, and Grandpa is taking out the toilets. So let's see how that's going.
Glasses. What are those?
These are from the gas station.
No.
Okay, Grandpa is working on the bathroom. Let's check on him. Grandpa! Wow! How's it coming?
It's slow.
Slow?
Yeah, the way they did this.
It looks so much better. And this is our shower.
So the first coat is on. I'm gonna let that dry and put on the second coat. I have plenty of paint left. I was thinking I'd need the entire pint, but I do not think I'm gonna use even half of a pint for this. It rolled on beautifully and I love the color.
Can we just take a moment and give a round of applause? This is already turning out gorgeous.
It's Resurrection Day. I got a cute new pink dress. It's got like this sweater on top. I'm wearing my pink cowboy boots. It's raining. And my pink Bible.
Inside.
Yeah. Sadie. You're funny.
Dad,
What?
did you like your lunch?
Fabulous. I'm full.
Went into Home Depot to look for some floors and toilets and stoves. Okay, so we got the toilet and we got a converter, so now we have to see if it's gonna fit. And Grandpa should be pulling up. Organic Grandpa. You look tough. We have loaded up drywall and flooring. And we got the wrong toilet, so now we gotta return the toilet. While we were at Home Depot, Grandpa needs some new planter pots. The ceramic ones were gorgeous, they were just expensive. And then you guys, this piece of freaking plastic one was $40. Like, who is gonna pay $40 for a plastic pot? I'm sorry if you have done that, but not gonna work for us.
It's the end of Monday. I'm going to Indiana to teach at Dion's retreat. I get on a super early flight tomorrow morning. I have to leave here at I think 5 a.m. I have not packed yet. I always pack too much. I'm gonna be gone for 6 days. I pack like it's gonna be a month. I was trying to get this wall done so that it could be part of this week's video. It's only halfway done. Last week you saw that I put this dresser into AI, and then I wanted to add wallpaper and more gold. I speak to it and I'm like, give me a French, decrepit, bohemian, crusty artist loft surrounded by plants. And I get all these beautiful pictures, and then I start looking at my own bedroom. I'm like, man, I should put wallpaper up. I should hang a chandelier over there. Bobby hung the chandelier. It looks really good. I tried to paint wallpaper. I love it, but it is not done. I'm gonna just show you progress. You're just gonna have to picture it done, but it's looking really good. I can't wait to finish it, but I've got to pack and get.
So Debbie got a lot of inspiration before doing this from those AI photos, so she can kind of get an idea of what she wanted the wallpaper to look like. She took some chalk to kind of sketch out where she's going to put the stencils, and left all of the frames and the art on the wall so that nothing would get covered up or done that didn't need to be done. Bobby, what do you think?
I choose not to.
What did Bobby bring you?
Ribeye.
Bobby bought my floors. Thank you, Bobby.
He brought the floors to their tiny house. Bobby, that's so nice of you.
I'm gonna cut to our new floors. Thank you, Bobby, so much. I am absolutely obsessed with these floors. Look how good they are. See this photo right here? Debbie said that she would have never thought to paint dark branches on her wall, but after kind of seeing some AI inspiration stuff, she knew that that's exactly what she wanted to do. So I think AI is a cool way to generate some ideas and then do it in real life. Debbie's using layered chocolate in, of course, DIY paint, and the Flutter and Feather oh gosh, I can never say it. Flutter and Feather stencil. It's available on our website on DIY a Go-Go. So she sketched out the drawings earlier, and now she's just placing the stencil over them. Then she's using our little dipper brush to work the paint in on the stencil.
Just getting started. This is what I have so far. And I have to say, I am loving it. These stencils are so easy to use, and I like that I kept everything in place so that it makes sense. Looking cute.
I am on my way to Best Buy to meet Bobby. He wants to look at some stoves, so I will take you guys with us and keep you updated. We're going into Best Buy right now. Where is Bobby? Okay, I'm here with Bobby right now. Are we gonna find an oven? This is the oven. Bobby got the oven for me. I love you, Bobby. Mwah. Debbie is using one of IOD's newest transfers. I am so sorry, everybody. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm going to try. It's called College des Fleurs. So we're going to have to go with that. But isn't it gorgeous? Today is Tuesday. Debbie just left. Her flight, I guess, got delayed 6 hours. She told me she had a horrible breakfast and the carbs weren't even good.
So this was my breakfast situation. Not my favorite. $20. I'm just gonna go to Starbucks. Very, very lackluster.
I am heading over to our house right now. Zach is working on the bathroom, and I will show you guys how the oven looks. Bobby bought our oven and our floors. I couldn't be more grateful for all the help that we have received with this house. It's been so much work. I literally could not even imagine doing a house bigger than 160 square feet because this has taken a lot. Let's head over to the house right across the street. So the oven is in. There is drywall in the bathrooms, and right now we're at the point where he has painted all the walls white and got this cabinet in behind the door. I thought this would be a great time to mention that if you would like a more in-depth tutorial where Debbie just goes start to finish on using these stencils, Debbie just launched 3 new courses. And so I will put the link in the description. Be sure to check it out if you are interested.
Bad lighting, it's not a good idea. I have an hour and a half left on this plane ride and then an hour
Uber. Have been sitting all day, but I've been taking a lot of notes for my class. I hope it goes over well. I really do. I think I've psyched myself out. Dion is out in the cold doing a photo shoot. I'm in the car because it's freezing.
The retreat was held at the Little Golden Fox, hosted by Kara Fox in Madison, Indiana. We will put the links in the description below. I wish I could have been there. It looks so cool. So I wanted to show you guys where Debi left off. This is how it is coming, and I think it's great. It is such a cool idea. Instead of buying wallpaper, just use stencils and IOD transfers and paint it right on. I'm here at Consignment Classics and I see this piece. Somebody didn't use DIY paint because it's super crunchy. So since we were at Consignment Classics, of course we had to go check out the antique mall, and I haven't actually been there in a while, so I just wanted to show you, look how bomb Debi's booth is looking. Like, it looks good.
The morning of the workshop, I always get really nervous, and I wanted to just show you my face with no makeup. I am about to teach a video class. I'm really excited about it, but the whole class is about how to not be confusing or boring, and those are the two things that I really struggle with. Am I going to be able to get in there and present this clearly and in a way that is interesting? What if I am totally boring? What if I look out and people are yawning? I really hope that I succeed. I also have 45 minutes to put my makeup on and wear the cute dress that I brought, even though it's freezing and it's totally not appropriate for today. It's going to be a good day, I hope.
Video is such an important factor in businesses now. So Debi gave everybody assignments to start getting some different types of clips.
I'm doing my homework.
'Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. 'Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful.
I love that Dion and Debi give everybody hands-on experience with the paint, and everybody has their own style and unique approach. And so I think it's so cool to see how the piece turns out in the end with everybody's help.
You're feeling, Lori?
I'm feeling nervous because I don't want to disrupt what has been created, and my style is pretty different.
But a lot of these ladies had never painted on furniture. And they came up here.
'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
After the class, they headed over to this awesome mansion next door to the retreat.
I was restless and stranded on my own.
It is 8 a.m. I've been up since 6:30. I'm just processing everything that happened yesterday. I feel like yesterday went really well. I don't feel like anyone got bored or confused, but they were very quiet because I was giving them all kinds of information. Today, we're gonna come back. I gave them assignments. I told them to talk to the camera. I told them to get B-roll and action shots and come up with a plan for a video. So everybody is supposed to come back today and they're gonna present their video idea. I'm gonna walk them through it, but my concern is, what if nobody did the homework? What if we get there? We have a whole hour and a half to do these exercises and to share with each other. And what if nobody did what I asked them to do? Then what am I gonna say? I don't really have a plan for today like I did yesterday. Yesterday I had a whole outline, and today is gonna be more freestyle. That's what we're heading into now, and we're just gonna see how it goes. I hope it's gonna be good. I feel like it's gonna be good, but I'm also just worried because it's the unknown. It is now Saturday afternoon. I just wanted to touch base and tell you how everything went yesterday. Yesterday was the funnest day for me. Yes, several of them did not do their homework. That did not stop me from pulling them up and pulling the stories out of them. I have to say, I've never been able to do a two-part class like this, and once I pulled the story out and it started to click, it was so rewarding and so fun, and the experience has just been encouraging and uplifting and inspiring, and I definitely am leaving with a sense that I want to speak more, I want to teach video more, because video changes lives. I am really excited about that, and I can't wait to see what the next opportunity brings.
I love you, Madeline. I love you, Madeline.